Hello amigos, welcome to my channel. Previously, we discussed about generative AI tools and where we explore about ChatGPT. This time, I'm starting a new series on no code. Sounds quite interesting, right? In this series, I majorly focus on three topics. One is what is no code, and second one is the difference between low code and no code, and third one is some softwares on no code. In this video, I'm going to explain about what no code is. No code is use of software that can be used to create applications or website without without writing any code. Let's take an example. Some people have interest to create websites or application, but the programming language acts as barrier for them. However, for those people who are not interested to learn code, they can still be a beautiful website for using some softwares. The softwares is have drag and drop options for creating websites, and it have user friendly interface. And the softwares have built-in features like data management and user interface. Key points from today's session. First one is anyone can build a website without writing any code. And second one is there are some softwares are available to create websites. That's it for today, guys. For upcoming videos, I'm going to upload what is the difference between low code and no code. If you found my video is informative, don't forget to drop your valuable comment. Please do like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.